I'm Jason Brass, owner of Terra Cotta Foods in Georgetown, Ontario, and I've been everywhere to source the right ingredients, to see the latest trends, and to sell my products. So the genesis of Terra Cotta was Terra Cotta Cookie Co. It was founded in 1984 by Pat Co. It was founded with the intention of baking and selling cookies primarily to schools, actually exclusively to schools. From there, she grew from one school to about 2,000 different schools. The primary growth of the business has been expanding our product lineup and really partnering with some great retailers in Canada. We do have products coast to coast. We made the decision to focus on the domestic market exclusively. A couple of years ago, our motto was, let's focus on excellence, and let's focus on Canada, let's get this right, and then grow more from there. So at Terra Cotta, we don't use any preservatives, actually, none, in any of our baked goods. We pride ourselves in a made-from-scratch type of production run. We obviously take food safety very seriously. 6 years ago, we started off down the road of becoming more compliant and becoming a very safe food environment by doing a HACCP program. We are a peanut and nut-free facility. We are certified gluten-free as well. We're also a kosher facility as well. All of our products are kosher. At Terra Cotta, we do use some proprietary equipment that give our cookies a signature look in terms of look and feel, the artisanal look, the homemade, made-from-scratch look. And that's something we're very proud of. At Terra Cotta, we have a wide range of packaging options to suit our private label customers, their demands, our co-pack customers as well. Terra Cotta has seen unprecedented growth over the last 5 years, and WeighPack has been one of our key partners. They really helped us to go to the next step in terms of private label and co-pack capabilities with our flexible packaging and also with our bag and box packaging. We bought a PrimoCombi scale and a VerTek Junior bagging system with a conveyor belt that takes it up to the scale, and that's just been a game changer for us.
Hi, I'm Mary Birmingham at Terra Cotta Foods in Georgetown. We are now making on the VerTeks, we're making shortbread cookies for Farm Boy. The machine, the VerTek WeighPack, fills the bag with nitro, makes a nice pillow pack for the shortbread, keep them nice and fresh. Very easy machine to run, very fast and efficient, never lets us down.
The VerTek Junior is great. We can run up to 60 packages a minute with that. At times we can't even keep up to it. So it's been a great piece of equipment. It totally eliminated a massive labor bottleneck for us and has been worth really every penny. The VerTek itself is controlled, and the scale are controlled by a computer that is very user-friendly, and we can get to program various recipes in there for our different clients. So Terra Cotta has recently ordered a Sleek 40 from WeighPack as well, and this would be to individually wrap cookies of various different sizes. We're actually adding another full wrapper, that's the Sleek 40, to our current lineup. WeighPack has been very good with service. Their phone support's great. So they're always on the phone, they help us, they walk us through it. And of course, if needed, they come out. I call my WeighPack my Bentley, but unfortunately I can't drive it.